Hello, this is Russell Carlin. This is my second status report. For this week, I was wanting to do the second tab here, which is the characters tab, which just gives a list of all the characters that you have saved. I'm going to go to here. I did get all of the mechanics done. The one thing that I did not complete was a lot of the styling. I did have a tile here, but the styling got all kind of out of whack, and that's why the background's not here. And also, when the actual window has a pop-up window, it comes up here, and my styling, I believe the styling is wrong, because everything should be working how I have it here. All this here, I was troubleshooting forever to get this all to work. And it is, as you can see, has my characters there. I don't have the image view there, which I wanted to have in here, and I also didn't have it. Well, I have a bit of code that I thought would work, but my file, my string here, is incorrect. So I need to fix that, which I thought that would be, but you know, that happens. So. That's the reason why I don't have the images there, but that's should be a pretty simple fix. I was just trying to get the more important things, like actually having anything on here at all. They kept on giving me some throwing exceptions to me, but I did finally get it to come up here. And then after I got that to come up, I had to troubleshoot why my pop-up view wasn't coming up, and that took forever. And so yeah, basically I got, like I said, all the mechanics down, well, most of them except for the image here, and then I just didn't get to style everything the way I wanted it and make the text, you know, the different colors like it is on the other view here. That was really the only downfall. So, which I just froze up. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, so I'm clicking way too quick for the simulator. Clicking everything and it's just freaking out. So when you have the information button here, this is what I wanted the character pop-ups to look like and work in that same fashion, but for reasons, because of this, you know, the styling and everything, which I think it is, it might actually not even be coming up right because I have the dimensions wrong or something. But when you click these open, it just has the, you know, the brown square there, and none of the content is actually coming up. It's all there, and it all should be set into it. As you can see, these are all the ones sending it into each of the text views. Let's see if I can find the. No, that's not the one. This one. This one is the info view, so this one should be kind of, and I took the image out of here because of the whole thing blowing up. This one, it should be coming up. This is the whole layout. As you can see, there's tons of different text views in here. But like I said, it's something's wrong with the styling or the dimensions, how I have it laid out, or something wrong with those lines that's making it so that none of the text is actually being visible. It's there but not visible. So I'm going to see if I can finish that and fix that issue here tonight, which hopefully I can. And yeah, so that's where we are with that. How we are on, you know, overall. This is the second week. We got one more week left, and that's the last step would be my dice roller, which you can't see now because this stinking thing's in the way. I do have the dice roller itself done. I wanted to put some images in there, and then also do the database, which is the big thing. There's lots and lots and lots of information to put in there, so I'm going to be spending the next week basically typing. That's pretty much what I'm going to be doing. I will have another list view, but I have you know, this one here that I've just done, so I kind of got the, you know, the hang of them, I would say, and I understand how to make that so it shouldn't be too much of an issue to make another one, just in a different format. So the only thing is getting this here info or the pop-up window to work correctly with them. After that, like I said, it's pretty much almost a copy and paste, but just with different data. So next week is mainly just going to be typing and typing, and then more typing, followed by some more typing. So very little actual coding will probably happen, other than just, of course, fixing everything that I needed to fix. So that's where we are there, and yeah. So I think even though they're having little bugs and issues here and there, I think everything will end up being completed by next week this time. So I have faith and it'll happen. So yeah, that's all for this week. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week.